Good morning guys, welcome to my new documentary. The current time is 12:18. I woke up around 8:30 or 9 around. So currently I'm watching some ICT videos, making some notes because yesterday I hit the SL. I got to know my mistake, what was that. After watching and making some notes, I will go to the gym at 1 or 1:30 p.m. So yes, once I'm done with this, I will meet you. So hello guys, I'm done with the workout. Currently going to take the shower. So once I'm done with the shower, I'll meet you at the desk. So hello guys, I'm done with the New York session. I hit the SL in the New York session. The reason behind the SL was that I entered the trade after 1 minute IFVG happened, but I didn't check the 2 minutes FVG. What happened is that market respected that 2 minutes FVG and 1 minute has given IFVG. So I enter the trade and it directly goes to my SL. So yes, I have journaled that trade. So the current time is 10:30. I will be going to do the dinner. After doing the dinner, I will be going to listen audiobook. So yes, for today's documentary this much. If you like this documentary, hit the like button, share button, subscribe button. Meet you in the next documentary. And as always, don't accept small life. Have a faith on God. Bye.